Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with the last of my bonus plan with me's. Can you believe it? I think I've been doing these for like nearly 4 months at this point, but Wednesday videos are going to be stopping after this week. So this is the kit. It is a Plannerface kit, and how apt to finish with my favourite shop. It is a very old kit, so yeah. And I am doing, again, quite aptly, a Plannerface only spread. I let people vote in my Instagram stories what they wanted to see, and that's what they chose. So I have stickers. These are all from Plannerface. There. I also have these, which Anna released absolutely moons ago, and they're like these glittery, I don't know how to describe them, glittery things, and I'm going to use those with it as well. So I am memory planning the week of the 1st of February this year. It was just a random week. I chose to memory plan for this video. So without any further ado, I will pass over to the voiceover and get the spread going. Okay, folks, so I am back with my last bonus plan with me, and I'm here with a Q&A that I asked for on Instagram. I think I have a few different questions, 10 questions, so I'm just going to work my way straight through those. But first I want to do a little gushy thank you so much for joining me with these bonus plan with me's. It's been a lot of fun putting more videos out a week, but it's been a lot of work, and I am looking forward to going down to 2 videos or 3 the first week of the month and the week of new releases. But yeah, it's been fun, but I am tired. And I'm also super excited for, I think it's June, when I'm going to be showing you how I plan every single day, so there's that to look forward to. Anyway, without any further ado, I'm going to go to the questions. I'm not going to say who they were from on Instagram in case people want to like keep their privacy, but yeah. So the first question is, do I ever regret selling planners? It's a lot of work. I don't think when I had the idea I ever thought how much work it was going to be, and it's silly things that take loads of time or took loads of time and I found really difficult, like finding a supply of coils that would make them in the quantity that I need. I would really like to have slightly thicker coil, as in the wire be slightly thicker than my current one, and have coil options. But I'd have to buy 1,000 of each sort of coil. So we are talking money that Tilly Journals does not currently have to spend on coils. And like the first time I've only ever had 2 people upset with something in their planner. And they both messaged me on the same day, and that day I was devastated because I'd been working really, really hard on getting the next batch of planners out. And I had a little cry, but that, like, not generally I absolutely love making them, and I've loved seeing people use them. But yeah, would I ever consider making full foil kits in the future? The short answer is yes. The longer answer is I definitely do, but there's a lot of things I want to change that are currently in the shop first. So I actually want to reformat the majority of the sheets that are in the shop and basically bring them up to like my current quality rather than my quality when I first started making stickers. I think my drawing has improved, and I'm upgraded, I don't know at what point when you're seeing this, my iPad. So I've got better spec iPad and like better interaction with the stylus I use, because I currently use not an Apple Pencil because my iPad's too old, and I think that will massively help. So yeah, what's my ultimate day is the next question. This is really hard. I don't know. Like my favourite day ever would be like a day at the beach with my family and friends, and then an evening playing board games, and then singing by a fire, probably. That's like my ultimate day ever. Bit of sea, bit of sand, family, friends. Yeah. Other than that, I don't know. Like a normal day, it would just be like a super productive, not wasting any time, getting everything I done that I wanted to get done sort of day. What's your favourite kit ever, and what's your favourite spread ever? My favourite kit ever? Ooh, it might have to be the Black Friday mystery kit from Plannerface. Maybe that? Cyber Monday mystery kit from Plannerface. or monohome, or the Up Squirrel Prince Coat Kit. One of those, don't know which. My favourite spread ever? My engagement spread's got to be up there because of how special it was, because I was like celebrating something specific. But other than that, I don't really know. I'd have to look through my planners to answer that. Maybe I should do like favourite spreads at some point. Let me know down below if that's a video you'd want me to see. Favourite product in my shop? The favourite thing I use the most is scripts. So like my morning routine scripts, I use one every day. But my favourite product is probably one of my planners because of how much love has gone into making them. Overlay wise, I really like the twinkle overlays. And the paint splatter. Probably, if I was choosing an overlay, it's probably the paint splatter overlays are my favourite. But yeah, don't know. Planner trend I don't get, understand or follow. I don't get the like really like trying to use a teeny tiny like the 1 inch by 1 like full box size planners functionally. I don't get that. Stop printed like I don't know. It's too small. What else don't I get? I don't know. I get most things. It's just not necessarily for me. Like I layer a bit, but I don't go like the whole out layering, putting foil everywhere that lots of people are doing, and that's a big trend at the moment. I don't know. Let me know down below what planner trends you can think of, and I will let you know if they are something that I understand or not. Favourite cake flavour? Probably chocolate, though I'm impartial to a good like proper fruit Victoria sponge. It's like Victoria sponge with proper fruit in between the layers, like strawberries and raspberries, white chocolate and raspberry. What else? Yeah, I think they're probably my favourite. Carrot cake, but only my mum's carrot cake. Like I make the same recipe as her, and hers is still better, but it's like nearly as good. But other than that, no. This one starts, I'm nosy, because she asked several questions. Will you do cake at the wedding or something else? We will have a wedding cake because a family friend is offered to make it as our wedding present. And she makes absolutely gorgeous wedding cakes. It is her business. She does something else full time, but she's offered to make our wedding cake. So we will be having a wedding cake. We may or may not also have some cheese or something like that because we are big cheese people. We're also hoping, but again it depends on our venue, that we will have our own sort of homebrewed beer there for people to drink too. What flavours, and then she goes on to ask what flavours of cake or cookie or cheese. Again, don't know. We need to sample our friends' cakes. We need to do like the sampling to decide on flavours. But we'll probably have some form of lemon. We probably won't have a fruit cake because it's not me. It's not the business. It's my least favourite sort of cake. And favourite part of my usual day. I'm sorry in advance for this, but it's when I get into bed with Soch and we just have a cuddle and a chat and everything feels better in the world. Yeah, so I'm apologising for being soppy and a bit grim. As in, not grim, but like, ugh, love, if you feel like that. But no, that's one of the best parts of my day, every single day. I look forward to it. Yeah. But like, also just whenever I get a notification that somebody's purchased from my shop or commented on a YouTube video, like it makes my day. And like, whilst those things do happen most days, still it puts a big smile on my face for ages. And you guys do not realise how much like I appreciate you and how worthwhile you make this whole journey, because YouTube's hard. Owning a shop is hard. I'm an incredibly busy human and it just makes it all worthwhile. So yeah, anyway, before I go super zappy on you guys and start like being grim and making people turn off the video, I'm going to stop there, and that will be it for these bonus plan with me's. And I am so pleased with this Plannerface only spread. How many times I'm going to have to do a Plannerface only spread? I love it, it's so cute. But yeah, comment, like down below, and I will pass back to T with the finished spread pastely. I don't know why I refer to myself in third person in this, but I'll pass back to Tilly with the finished spread. Okay, so there we have the finished spread. It's gorgeous when you get that lighting just right. Unfortunately, my studio lights mean that the lighting is not great and it's a bit glary when it's straight on, but it is absolutely stunning and it just looks stunning in person. Every single sticker on this spread is Plannerface, and what a way to end these bonus plan with me's. Thank you so much for joining me for every single one of them. It's been an absolute blast putting more videos out for you, but I have to say I'm looking forward to the little bit more time I'm going to have now I'm going back to a normal number of videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video and all of these bonus plan with me's, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!